beauty out. And when I mean little, I mean little. It's a 158 scale rear-wheel drive monster truck. Different speeds, USB-C charger, fully proportional. The list goes on. Let's just open it up. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Charge cable. Here it is. Oh, there's other little body shells that come with it. There's a gray one and a yellow one. Cool, I guess you can paint that one yourself. Sweet. Oh, this is so sick. Oh, this is so sick. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's goosh. So gooshy. The independent front shocks. That's pretty neat. Look at the travel on the rear. That's sick. That is an itty bitty motor. And the gears are all exposed. I don't think it's a good idea to take this beauty outside. Let's see what else we got in the box here. Snack pack. Don't eat that. Instruction manual. Fair enough. Tools and some extra little wheel nuts, it looks like. Oh, those are so small. What? Some stickers. Very Transformer-ish. Some other stickers, I don't know what they're for, but I'm gonna put them on something. Yeah. And we got the transmitter here. This feels good. It's well wrapped. It actually feels pretty good. Oh, neat. What are all these? I'm gonna have to read the instructions first. What? Oh, wow. Ooh, chunky. Transmitter comes with a 1200 milliamp 1S lithium ion. Please removed before used. Okay. So the USB-C cable charges this and also be used to charge the truck. Ooh. What's going on here? There's actually a telemetry system on this thing here. This is kind of neat. I like it. Ah, English. Got it. Advanced. Oh, man. Whoa. There's actually a lot of settings in here. That's cool. Everything's red now. I don't know what I'm doing. There's so many buttons on here. I'll figure it out. Alright, so C is beginner mode, and there's different color LEDs for throttle. And again, beginner mode. Small, medium, big direction. I want big direction and high speed. It's actually pretty easy to figure out off the hop if you actually read the instructions, but it does come with these handy QR codes. I like how companies are doing this more and more. So on beginner mode, you can see that the steering angle isn't as severe and it's not as quick. Advanced, you can see the steering is way sharper and way quicker. Like, really quick. And the speed, a lot faster. And look at the travel. Look at the travel on it. That's awesome. It's really hard to focus, but there's even bearings in the front end. So there's a link down below with a coupon code and it brings it down to like 45 bucks. It's a fun stocking stuffer this holiday season. I never thought I'd see the day a monster truck could fit in my palm. Just look at the size comparison here. Amazing. It's so tiny I can barely focus the camera. Being stuck inside might not be such a bad thing after all. It's so hard to shoot. Super fun, really hard to make a YouTube video out of. Video can't convey it, but this thing is way more fun in person.